This Epomaker Luma 84 might just be the most aggressive value play in the mechanical keyboard space right now. A full aluminum, low-profile, hot-swappable board for around $100? Yeah, it sounds almost too good to be true. Look, finding a solid metal chassis in the low-profile space without emptying your wallet is nearly impossible. Heavyweights like the NuFi Air 75 charge a serious premium for that kind of build. Epomaker stepped right into that gap with the Luma 84, and at about $110, it is positioned to be a massive disruptor in the budget market. The entire case is crafted from anodized aluminum, giving it a beautiful satin finish and rigid structure. It weighs in at just over 600 grams, keeping it surprisingly light for a metal-encased peripheral. The smooth, curvy bottom base looks incredibly clean and definitely shares some design DNA with modern MacBooks. You have uniform thickness along the sides paired with sharp, blocky edges that give it a raw, industrial vibe. Here's the thing, they did make a few specific design choices you need to know about. The top frame houses a customizable LED light bar on the right side for a nice splash of color. On the underside, you will not find any adjustable flip feet. You just get 4 silicone bumpers that lock the board into a permanent 2-degree typing angle. You can pick this up in 2 distinct colorways depending on your desk setup. I actually have the darker black and blue model in the studio today, and I'm not gonna lie, it offers this fantastic, stealthy, professional look that absolutely nails the aesthetic. If you prefer a brighter setup, they do offer a white version with purple accent keys too. Now listen, the layout is a standard 75% compact design, which I consider the sweet spot for productivity. You retain the dedicated arrow keys and a full function row, which are absolute lifesavers for daily video editing. A vertical navigation cluster sits cleanly along the right edge. It does lack a physical volume knob, but the existing keys cover all the essential bases. The keycaps on this thing are exceptional for the price point. Epomaker ships this with DSA low-profile double-shot PBT keycaps that feel fantastic under the fingers. Trust me on this one. They resist that greasy shine you get on cheaper ABS plastics. Connectivity is robust and handles multiple devices without breaking a sweat. You get Bluetooth 5.0 with support for 3 simultaneous connections, a 2.4 GHz wireless USB receiver, and a wired Type-C port. Both the wired and 2.4 GHz modes offer 1000 Hz polling rate. You can easily take this into competitive gaming sessions with zero noticeable latency. Underneath those durable keycaps sit Gateron low-profile mechanical switches, available in linear red or tactile brown. The Hot-Swappable PCB supports 3-pin low-profile sockets, giving you total freedom to drop in aftermarket switches later. The acoustic signature leans toward a clacky, slightly muted profile. This is thanks to a thin polycarbonate plate mounted via silicone gasket sleeves, plus layers of internal sound dampening foam. The typing feel is comfortable, but doesn't quite reach the flawless premium tier of its more expensive rivals. I noticed a slight stem wobble on the basic Gateron switches. The spacebar also exhibited a noticeable amount of rattle right out of the box. The stabilizers seem to lack sufficient factory lubrication, so you'll definitely want to tune those yourself. Powering the wireless modes is a built-in 3000 mAh battery tucked safely inside. If you keep the vibrant south-facing RGB backlighting turned off, the board survives an impressive 130 hours of continuous typing. Activating the LEDs drastically cuts that endurance down to roughly 25 hours. You'll probably need to plug in the braided Type-C cable a couple of times a week. One of the biggest selling points here is the software integration. The Epomaker 84 boasts native compatibility with open-source QMK and VIA platforms right out of the box. You simply load the JSON file from the manufacturer's website and instantly remap keys or create complex macros. It completely eliminates the need to install annoying proprietary bloatware on your machine. In the end, this keyboard carves out a distinct identity through highly aggressive pricing. Finding another full aluminum low-profile keyboard with a hot-swappable PCB and VIA support for $110 is exceptionally rare. It targets budget-conscious buyers wanting premium chassis materials without paying the heavy tax associated with top-tier alternatives. Check out the purchase link in the description below to grab one for yourself. I've also left a link to the full in-depth written review on techxreviews.com if you want to read more about the specs. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what keyboard you're rocking right now.